Hello all. In the previous class, we have learned about traditional prototyping and rapid prototyping. And today we are going to answer a very important question. Why are companies investigating uh, billions of dollars and investing so much money in technologies like 3D printing and rapid prototyping? The answer is simple. So, because time has become one of the most valuable resources in the business. So, today we'll learn about the need of time compression in product development. So, by the end of this session, you will understand why companies always want to develop products faster and why speed has become more competitive in advantage. Okay. So if you see the outline, so I've been given the examples for why we need time, what is the importance of time, and what is time compression, why time compression is important, and product development cycle, problems with traditional development, how rapid prototyping solves the problem, and one example for especially for CSC students, advantages of time compression, etc. So so before going on to this, imagine two students participating in a hackathon, let us say. So I've been given one example here, Rahul and Kiran. So Rahul has a great idea. Let's think. So he spends 1 month thinking, and then he starts coding, and then he starts completes the projects after 2 months. Now let us look the Kiran approach. First, what happens? What does Kiran do? Kiran spends only 2 days creating a simple prototype. So he immediately shows to users and he gets feedback. He improves continuously. So which means he finishes the project in 2 weeks. So now I have a question like who will reach the market first? Obviously it is Kiran, right? So who will get users first? Obviously again the answer is Kiran. So who will start earning first? Again Kiran. So this is exactly what happens in industries. So the company that reaches customers first often wins. So the idea this is called time compression. Okay, so the time compression simply means reducing the total time needed to take a product from an idea to the customer. So think of idea like the complete journey. Initially, it will be idea, then we will design, then we will show the prototype, and then we start testing. After that, all the feedback that we are getting, based on that feedback, we are going to manufacture, and then we will be giving it to customer. So companies want this journey to happen as quickly as possible. If two companies create the same product, who wins? The one who launches first. That is what the answer. So why time compression is important? So let's understand it. So the first reason is competition. Look at the companies like Apple, Samsung. So suppose both companies are developing a new smartphone feature. So if Samsung launches first, customers may buy Samsung phone first. If Apple launches first, customers may buy Apple phones. So the company that reaches the market first often captures more customers. So the second reason is changing customer needs. So think about smartphones. What do customers want every year? Better cameras, better battery life, faster processors, and more AI features. So customer expectations keep changing on time. So if companies take too much time, the customer needs may change before the product is launched. So the third reason is shorter product life. So 20 years ago, a product could remain more popular and for many years also. Today, the things changed very quickly. So a smartphone may become outdated within a year. So that is what the change has been happened. So this is how technology changes rapidly. So therefore, companies must develop products faster than ever before. So how many of you are still using a smartphone that is 8 year old? Exactly. No answer. So technology changes very fast. Every year you are changing the mobile phone due to some reasons. So the life has become less and the products have been coming very fast. Now let us understand the benefits of reducing development time. The first benefit is reducing cost. So the think of a software company, the longer a project continues, the more salaries must be paid. So the more testing is required, the more resources are consumed. Therefore, longer development means higher cost. Okay. Shorter development means lower cost. So the second benefit is faster profit generation. So imagine two companies launching the same product. One launches today, the other launches 6 months later. Which company starts sending money first? Obviously, the first company. Earlier launch means earlier profit. This is why companies constantly search for ways to reduce development time. Now let us understand the traditional product development cycle. So a company starts an idea, then creates design, then develops a prototype, then performs testing, then makes modification, then starts manufacturing. Finally, the product reaches the market. This sounds very simple, right? But in reality, every stage consumes time, sometimes months, sometimes years too. So, and every modification increases the total development time. This is the challenge industries face. So now we come to the most important of part of today's lecture. How does rapid prototyping solve this problem? Initially, let us use 3D printing as an example. So the process becomes more simple. So create a CAD design initially, then we'll give it to 3D printer. Then the prototype is ready. So instead of waiting weeks, engineers may take the prototype within hours. Let us take an example. Suppose you are building an application. Traditional approach, let us see. So complete coding, then testing, then discover errors, then rewrite code. This consumes a lot of time. Now consider the smartest approach, which means rapid. Create a UI mockup and then show it to users, get feedback and the improved design, and then start coding. This reduces development time significantly. So the same principle is used in manufacturing also. So let us take an aircraft example. So traditionally, design part, manufacture sample, test sample, modify design. This may take months. Using 3D printing, design a CAD model, print prototype, test immediately, modify design and print again. So this may take only few days. That is the power of rapid prototyping. If you see the advantages as already discussed, faster product launch, lower cost, better quality, increased customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. So faster development is equal to greater success. So if you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys.